The first step is to assess whether the ligament is irreparable or not, as in this case, a proximal with relatively good tissue quality. We usually start with the AM bundle first because it's located closest to the front. A number 2 fiber wire is passed through its fiber, then held to tension the stump, and help to pass a second suture through the PL bundle more easily. You can always add a third suture if there is any doubt. Now we turn to the lateral side. A 10 by 80 mm strip of the posterior IT band is harvested. Identify the lateral collateral ligaments, then create a tunnel for the extra articular tenodesis. Switch the cameras to the accessories anteromedial portal. Clean the notch to better inspect the footprint of the ACL and the intercondylar edge. Introduce the ACL tibial guide and drill to 2.4 mm tunnel for AM and PL bundles. The first passing sutures is placed in the AM tunnel. The second one is in the PL tunnel. The fiber wires and the passing sutures of the AM bundles is drawn to the same portals, tied together, then the passing sutures is pulled to retrieve the fiber wire to the lateral condyle. Repeat this step with the PL bundle. A bone marrow clot is pulled to the femoral insertions of the ACL. The fiber wires of the PL bundle is then tensioned and tied over a burden in 90 degrees of flexions. The AM bundle and IT band graft are fixed in full extensions. The final step is to check the stabilities and impingements of the repaired ACL. Thank you for your attention.